Hello and welcome to Jackson's Job. Did you just go to the store and find out there is no pumpkin pie spice on the shelf? Or do you want to try to make it yourself? Well, don't worry, we've got you covered. You only need a few key spices, and I'll show you what to do if you don't have them all on hand. The first thing you want to do is measure out your spices and decide if you want to use a bowl or not. I recommend just pouring it straight into a container that has a lid on it and shaking it up. That way you don't have anything to clean up. Now, if you don't have a funnel on hand, it's okay. All you have to do is take a scrap piece of parchment paper or wax paper, wrap it around your finger, and then just open it up at the top after you insert it into your container. It will make it much easier to transfer those spices without spilling it everywhere. Now, I don't like to use a bowl because I don't want to do more dishes than I need to. So what I typically do is put it all in the container and then give it a really generous shake for about 30 seconds or so. To make pumpkin pie spice, you will need 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, that's 8 grams, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, that's 4 grams, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, that's 2 grams, 3/4 teaspoons of allspice, that's 1.5 grams. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, that's 1 gram. Now, cloves is one of those polarizing spices. Some people hate it and some people love it. If you are a person that hates cloves, why would you put it in your own pumpkin pie spice? I would leave it out altogether. Now, if you don't have all these spices on hand, I will tell you, if you have the cinnamon, ginger, and allspice, you will have a wonderful pumpkin pie spice blend. Mix and match around these spices and you'll get the perfect blend for you and you'll never have to buy it again. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for pumpkin pie spice and that it helps you in all your fall baking. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy baking.